What is the value of cos cube 15 degree minus sin cube 15 degree by cos 15 degree minus sin 15 degree? Let's take cos 15 degree equal to a and sin 15 degree equal to b. So we have a cube minus b cube. So the formula of a cube minus b cube is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. We cancelled a minus b from numerator and denominator. So we have a square plus ab plus b square. Putting all the value of a and b, we have cos square 15 degree plus cos 15 degree into sin 15 degree plus sin square 15 degree. We know cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. So likely cos square 15 degree plus sin square 15 degree equal to 1. And here we take half into 2 into cos 15 degree into sin 15 degree. We know 2 sin theta cos theta equal to sin 2 theta. So 2 sin 15 degree cos 15 degree would be sin 2 15 degree, which is sin 30 degree. We know sin 30 degree equal to half. So 1 plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 equal to 1 plus 1 by 4, which gives us 5 by 4.